You will be amazed by this 2023 Audi RS e-tron GT. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, remote engine start, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.